Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2017 Yamaha FJ-09. This bike only has 1,600 miles and is offered for $87.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the standard features, ABS, brakes, tons of power, it has a GV windscreen on it. Also has these nice saddlebags and top case that are lockable. And this one's dialed in and ready to go. It's ready to go put 5 miles on or put 350 miles on. It's a fantastic sport tour. Comes stock with a center stand, gauge package. This thing's just fully loaded. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.